So now guys, here is the heart of the church. I will show you. And we have here, before we go, here's the plan. Here we are. Now it's focus. Here we are. So and now we're going look to the heart. It's very, very nice. So, and now I will show you. Look what it looks like. Here are the spinning wheels. Oh, wait. Here is for the minutes. Every minute it's spinning. It's very beautiful. Very, very nice. And now we go up. We go here up to the, I think there is the bells. But I must look what we have for time. Oh, 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and then we have the party here with the ringing bells. Four minutes. 4 minutes. I must give attention because you will see here the bells, the big bells. You can hear it. And here, when we look here out, you can see the city. Here you can see the lake. It's a very beautiful city. But we cannot long here. 2 minutes they ringing. So I will show you fast. Very beautiful. So I must go. Very, very beautiful. So now we go. So now I will show you other interesting things. And yeah, I apologize for my English. I'm from Switzerland, my mother language is German, so I'm not good speaking English. So now we go here. Here we are in the dark, but not long. So and here I hope they don't play, because when they play I will not hearing anything more. Yeah, here is from the orgel, from the musicians. Here are they can make it open or closer for the sounds. Very interesting stuff. And here you can see the top of the orgel. And yes, every Tuesday they make a live stream here in the church and play music. I will, when I found a link or so, I will put in the description. And it's 11 in the morning, but we are in Europe, so we have GMT +1. Yeah. Very, very interesting. And such place, no one can go here normally. That's all for us. I don't know why here is open. Here must every close. So, and now I will show you something funny. And I can make it. It's not working. I said it's not working. Then you will hear the sounds, but I don't know why it's not working. Sad. Here is the big hamster wheel, and it's used today also. Some ministrants come here and go in this wheel, and then they must walk to start. this wheel, but for which reason I don't know. Maybe when they make some shitty things, they must go walk here. It's very, very beautiful here. So you see, now we're here. And now we will go to a place that we can look into the church from the top.